At long last, we have the final, potentially, if I can find a Tradewind/North Coast Ultra system, the Penultimate. But for now, we're calling it the final video of the series. Here are some LED bulbs and a fan equipped with Emerson's AirDesign remote control. I have two different makes of bulbs I'm using in this fan. In the downlight, we have my personal favorite, the Philips Ultra Definition WarmGlow 60 equivalent. In the uplight, we have GE HD Light 25 equivalent. And as you can see, they have a bit of an afterglow to them. These bulbs sort of work. I wouldn't recommend them. The Philips bulbs, on the other hand, work flawlessly with the system. So we'll go ahead and start it up and show you how the GE bulbs behave with the lights at full brightness. Yeah, they turn off. So you have to set the brightness for the uplight a little bit less than full in order to get these bulbs to light reliably. Four bars is about where you're going to want them. That's if you plan to use these bulbs. The WarmGlows, on the other hand, let's take a look at them. So it seems the Philips WarmGlows work with most systems, with the exception of a few very early ones. I will continue to update the series as newer, better bulbs come out, which I'm sure they will, at least for the past decade or so. LED lighting technology has been progressing at literally the speed of light, no pun intended. Although I'm sure someone in the hobby would like that. You know who you are. And if I find more fans with more systems, I'll continue to make updates as I acquire them. So for now, that's all.